Okay, you guys, so I did my brows off camera, and you guys just look at my skin. It's nice and glowing. So if you guys would like to see my skincare routine, let me know down below in the comment section, and I can definitely film that for you. So we're going to start off with our primer. The primer of choice for me today will be my Hard Candy, and you can purchase this in any Walmart or where hard candy products are sold. So we're just going to lightly put our primer on everywhere that foundation will be applied in order to give us a base. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so that you don't miss out when I upload new content here to my channel. If you're oldie but goldie, thank you guys so much for coming back. So now we're going to go in and we're going to do a little color correcting. With color correcting, anywhere that you have dark spots and you want them to blend in with your makeup, if you're a woman of color, you will go in with an orange and just apply it to the spots that are darker. So once I feel that I have enough there, I'm just going to blot it in with my fingers so that the foundation process can be easily applied. So you guys, for my foundation, I will be using the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy collection in the color Mocha, which is the number 360. And you can find this anywhere Maybelline products is sold. So you guys, recently I have found a love for applying my foundation with a brush and a blending sponge. So today's brush I'm going to be using comes from the Real Technique collection. And you guys, if you have never tried the two together, definitely give it a try. It makes applying your foundation so much easier. So you guys know how it is when you get down to the last little bit of any product that you're using. You want to make sure that you get all of it out, and that's simply what I wanted to do with this foundation. So I just had to put the top back on and give it a nice shake, and then my foundation actually came out. So I'm just going to go ahead and tap the foundation onto my face and then start the blending process. Now, don't be alarmed and think that the foundation would not blend in with my skin color because of the orangey tone. But once we blend it in and smooth it through, you'll definitely see that the color matches my skin perfectly. Okay, you guys, so now that we're done blending in our foundation, I'm simply going to conceal. And my concealer of choice happens to be from the LA Pro Girl. You can find this at your local beauty supply store. So I'm just going to conceal around the mouth, on the bridge of my nose, at the top of my forehead, and underneath my eyes. So to blend in my concealer, I will be going in with a different beauty blender to blend in, and I'm using the back of that blender. You just simply want to pat it in, don't brush, and don't drag your concealer in. When you're doing your concealer under eye, use the pointed part of your blending sponge so that you can make sure you get into the crease. This helps with any creasing that may occur with your makeup throughout the day. So now I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me setting powder in the color Deep, which is the number 35. And I'm going to add that setting powder everywhere I added concealer. And I'm going to make sure just to tap it on and not to apply so much, because then it sits on top of the foundation. For my mascara of choice, I happen to be using a Revlon mascara. Because I have not mastered the skill of putting on lashes, right now it's simply just mascara. So now that we're done adding our mascara, I'm just going to go in and blend in this setting powder. Remember, you want to lightly tap on. It may look like I'm doing it hard, but I'm actually not. And remember, it's okay to bake, but that's just a preference of mine. I like to just simply add it on and then do my mascara and then go ahead and blend it in. So now for some bronzer, I'll be using this color from Black Radiance. You can also find this at your local Walmart. And I'm going to be using a Real Techniques blending brush in order to add this bronzer onto my cheeks. So now for our highlighter, I'll be using this Wet n Wild highlighter. I can't remember the name, but I'll definitely leave it down in the description bar. And as you guys can see, a little goes a long way, so this is really good for an inexpensive highlighter. So now that we're done with the foundation process, I'm going to end this look with a nice pink lipstick, and this is from the Wet n Wild collection. It's a matte lip. I'll leave the name down below in the description bar. So just an FYI, whenever you're working with matte lipstick, you want to make sure to apply your lipstick in a fast manner. If you allow your matte lipstick to dry and then try to apply more lipstick on top, it's going to leave your lipstick with a very cakey look. So that's going to bring this makeup look to an end. I'm just simply going to style my hair, and if you're wondering, yes, this is a protective style. I simply wanted to give my hair a break, so I decided to do a protective style. And yes, I did do my own protective style, and yes, I did record it for you guys. So if you want to see how I achieved this protective style, make sure to keep your notifications turned on. So we're simply just going to go in and add a little gel to the edges and lay our edges down, and that'll be the complete look. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also tell a friend to tell a friend, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.